No sound on HDMI from Google Chrome. How to fix that? Well, the easiest way is to first connect HDMI source and then open Chrome browser. If it was open already, completely quit it and run again. In most cases, that helps. If that doesn't, enter chrome:/plugins in Chrome address bar. This will open Plugins configuration page. Expand the details and find Flash Player, which is called Pepper Flash. This software has nothing to do with official Adobe Flash and was written by undergraduates at Chrome Project. Disable it. If you have Adobe Flash Player in the same list, enable it. Otherwise, download from Adobe website and install. Reboot, and now Google Chrome Sound should work flawlessly.